In this video, I'll show you how to insert mathematical equations into Google Docs. First off, position your cursor where you want your new equation. Then you can either go to Insert Equation or View Equation Toolbar. When I click New Equation, notice that the cursor shows up right inside this little box. And in this little blue box, you can type your equation. In this example, we're going to type the quadratic formula. So the next thing you'll notice in the equation toolbar is that there are now 5 menus in this equation toolbar. The first menu contains Greek letters. The next one contains mathematical operations like multiplication and division. The third menu contains comparison symbols like less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. The fourth menu contains mathematical operations like division, square root, exponents, and so on. And then the last menu contains a variety of arrows. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start, I'm going to type x is equal. So I'm just going to use my keyboard for this. I'm not going to use the equation toolbar. I'm just going to go x equals. But I'm typing in that little equation box. So this stays active. So in order to get this complicated math expression, we need to look and see how it's laid out. It's a fraction. So we have a numerator and a denominator. So to get to this, we have to go to the mathematical operations menu and select the fraction template. So here's the math operations one, and we just need the fraction, which is the a over the b. So right now the cursor's in the numerator at the top, so we're going to begin to type the opposite of b. So b. Next, we need a plus or minus symbol, so we go to the miscellaneous operations one, and we select the plus or minus, and I'm going to put a space. Now we need a square root, so we go back to the math operations, and we grab the square root, and there it is. Now underneath this we have b squared minus 4ac. So we can go back into the math operations and you have the x with the little b. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to type b. And then when I click above, so when I put my cursor and click a little bit above the B, now we get a little cursor, so that lets me know I can type the little 2. And then I'm going to type in minus 4AC. When I hit enter, it'll go to the denominator. Whoops. There we go. And then I can type in 2a. So to navigate this fraction, I can also use my arrow key to move around and to edit anything. I can, once I exit out, so notice I'm no longer in the box. So when I click on the equation, I'm in the little purple box. When I click out, then it's just regular text. I can highlight this equation and I can increase the font so we can make that a little bigger. I can change the font if I want to, but for math you probably want to keep it on Arial or something standard. And then if you wanted to create a new equation, you simply click this new equation. See how now it looks like I can interact with it, so I can click, it creates that box, and then I can create a new equation. So that's how you can insert an equation in Google Docs. Have a great day.